Hello everyone. Teaching has been my passion and so I chose it as my profession. My name is Achla Verma and I am PGT Mathematics and Senior Academic Coordinator at Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Pilani, Rajasthan, India. I thank the Council for Creative Education Finland for organizing this conference and giving me this opportunity. It is my pleasure to present paper on evolving education system, the role of teachers and parents. We don't grow when things are easy, we grow when we face challenges. The online education is one such challenge the teacher community is facing nowadays. It is indeed a boon and a great savior in these difficult times of pandemic with challenges at every level. Technology is an integral part of human lives and is a toy in the hands of our children. So why not make it the best medium of the teaching learning process? Hence, online teaching becomes essential, where its success strengthens the education system in India and across the globe. My research findings indicates that the required changes in the evolving education system demands a strong technical backup, trained teachers community, ethical behavior of students and responsible parents, which implies cooperation between the providers and the takers. The study is based on my practical experience as a teacher and feedback from my colleague teachers, students and parents. The study emphasizes on the importance of adapting with the latest situation to educate our future generation and measures to cope with the changing trends. Let me share why these four aspects are important and how can we make this system a success. A strong technical backup is very important as both teachers and students should be well equipped with good net connectivity as this is the only medium to be connected. Education is the right of every child. Hence, the technical backup must be strengthened at every level, that is rural, semi-urban and urban. The government needs to make a well-planned effort in this field and ensure that every student gets proper connectivity and is equipped for online study. No doubt that private schools are far ahead than the government schools, but students studying in private schools are only 40% and the rest 60% of the children are going to government schools. For example, private schools such as Birla Balika Vidyapeeth where I work is using Microsoft Teams for connecting teachers and students. So we are having regular teaching classes scheduled in Microsoft Teams, departmental meetings, panel discussions, webinars, national conferences organized and conducted using these teams. We also have co-curricular activities like fitness sessions, dance, drama, music classes and activities conducted using Microsoft. On the other hand, teachers in government schools are doing their best using WhatsApp, YouTube videos, telephonic conversations, messages, emails, etc. to ensure regular teaching. It is true, where there is a will, there is a way. If every student and teacher is provided with necessary infrastructure, we would see a better picture of online teaching. The next aspect is trained teacher community. Nowadays, teachers are trained with ICT skills and they are trained to teach using smart boards. However, teachers need advanced skills to make online classes very useful and interesting. Hence, strengthening a teacher as a facilitator of the online teaching learning process is mandatory. Online teaching requires a slight shift in pedagogical applications. A teacher needs to put extra effort to plan, prepare, present and assess his or her lessons to achieve the learning objective. A teacher's role lies in making his or her lessons very creative, interesting and innovative. The goal remains the same, but the way to achieve the goal is undergoing a big change. The challenge is to attract a child's attention to the presentation. Teachers' role to create experiential learning using various online tools is to be enhanced. A thorough understanding of concepts using good software and applying different learning styles to meet the needs of all kinds of learners becomes a necessity. Knowledge of conducting assessments using online tools is essential. A wholesome teacher for an online platform is a teacher who not only has content knowledge but is technically strong. A teacher has opportunities to be more creative and innovative, but for a normal teacher, it is truly challenging to adapt to changing times to adjust to the new normal. Next is the ethical behavior of students playing a major role in making online education a success. Unless a student does not desire to take knowledge imparted, it only becomes a one-way process and hence fails the system. Therefore, a child's ethical behavior is where the role of parents is essential. A good student is the one who learns more and is not worried about the score. Online teaching and learning is the best platform to identify a good student. A successful learner is a child who has a passion for learning. Every child has the maximum opportunity to explore, create, learn, relearn, and innovate. The most important thing about online teaching is children cannot be labeled as slow learners due to the flexibility of relearning available in the form of presentations and videos. In fact, the results of online teaching would be much better. The role of parents becomes essential in online teaching as a teacher is unable to watch the child, unable to interact fluently, or unable to develop a bond with the child. Parents are all-time companion of their children, and hence they must play the role of friends and guides in their children's life. Parents must ensure good academic progress through regular informal monitoring of online classes. Parents have a vital role in ensuring cyber safety and security, and they need to raise children ethically. So the need of the hour is parents accept parenting with new norms. Finally, I conclude with the remark that online teaching learning would achieve the best results when we have a well-coordinated perfect triangle of a teacher, student and parent with technology at the center of the triangle. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond, said Albert Einstein. I conclude. Thank you.